Hi everybody, welcome back to the How Preset Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change your DNS from get automatically to enter manually in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, scroll to the left where all your options are and scroll down here to settings. Click all settings and scroll down to the connections. Click network, click the network status and scroll to the IP settings. Here, as you can see, we have DNS setting. We have to click it, and here we can set it from get automatically to the enter manually. And that's how it works. Goodbye.